Okay, the time has come. Just wipe down the whole bones and get the film of dust on the whole thing from the road. It's pretty gross, so I'm glad I wiped it down. Now I'm gonna don my mask and gloves and get cracking. It's the same process as last time. I'm planning for this to be the final top coat. What I've done is just mixed up all the paint and I cleaned out the cup so I can use it again for the next batch, and I just put the paint up there and we're ready to start painting. there it is. I've finished all of the screws in the cover strip for the keel. I think it's called the keel band, but there's also other spots next to the dagger board, which I guess is also part of the keel, but yeah, they're all screwed in. I've got five spots here where the screws just went all the way through. So what I'm going to do is mix up some epoxy, thicken epoxy, squeeze it in the hole, let it set, and then I will re-tap the thread. Also, I'll probably grind off the tip of the screw so that it doesn't go all the way through. I wish there was some thickened ply through this area, but there isn't, and there wasn't a keel band on before, so it's been relatively protected through the center line, but I have a feeling that there might be water getting in if I don't do this properly. Alright, so what I've done is I've put the keel band back on. I had a few issues with some of these screws going all the way through. I put epoxy in the hole, re-tapped the hole. These two seem to have worked well, but I think this one might be okay too, but this one and definitely this one, it's not grabbing, so I don't know, I might have to use a bigger screw or something, but I'm planning on doing the others. I've got this Sikaflex marine grade, so I'll be using this 291, placing it along where the keel bound's going to go, put some in the screw holes too, and then I'll be attaching the keel band, screwing it down, letting it set, and then I'll just take this tape off before it sets, just for a nice clean finish, because it can be a bit of a pain to clean this stuff up. So yeah, it's a marine adhesive sealant, so it's going to stick it down as well. I've sort of scuffed up the paint a bit so it's got some mechanical attachment, but yeah, this has been a long time coming, so I'm excited to see this happen. Once this is done, I will be doing some bright work or varnish on the wooden components and then flipping her over. And I haven't seen the inside for a long time. It wasn't perfectly finished because I just wanted to get this bottom piece done so I could turn it over and keep going with the project. So I'm excited to see what it looks like up inside and finish that off as well. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying these videos, and let you know what you think in the comments below.